नमस्कार दोस्तों, लीगल गुरुकुल में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। वेलकम टू लीगल गुरुकुल। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सीआरपीसी यानी कि कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर के मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। और आज इस वीडियो में हम 25 क्वेश्चन जो हैं सीआरपीसी के एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. Which section permits the oral evidence to prove that the procedure laid down under section 164 CrPC had actually been followed, where the record which ought to show that does not do so? And the options are: option A, section 460, B, section 165, C, section 463, and D, section 163. And the correct answer is section 463, option C. Question number 2. A non-confessional statement recorded under section 164 CrPC is: option A, a substantive piece of evidence, B, not a substantive piece of evidence, C, depends upon fact, may or may not be substantive piece of evidence, D, none of the above. And the correct answer is B, not a substantive piece of evidence. Next question पे चलते हैं। Question number 3. Statement recorded under section 161 CrPC can be used during trial. Option A, for contradicting the witnesses, B, for corroborating the witnesses, C, for subtending the evidence, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is A, for contradicting the witnesses. Question number 4. In case the charge sheet under section 173 is not filed within 90 days or 60 days, as the case may be, the accused who is in custody is entitled to B, option A, released on bail, B, acquitted, C, discharged, D, released on bail on making application for bail. And the correct answer is D, released on bail on making application for bail. Question number 5. The magistrate can authorize for the detention of an accused for a total period of 90 days during investigation under section 167 of CrPC, which are punishable with: option A, imprisonment for life, B, death penalty, C, imprisonment for a term not less than 10 years, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 6. Imprisonment in default under section 125 of CrPC. Option A is mode of satisfying the liability, B is mode of enforcement only, C is both mode of enforcement and satisfying the liability, D, none of the above. And the correct answer is B, is the mode of enforcement only. Question number 7. An order passed under section 125 of CrPC can be executed within: option A, 1 year from the date on which it becomes due, B, 2 years from the date on which it becomes due, C, 3 years from the date on which it becomes due, D, 12 years from the date on which it becomes due. And the correct answer is 1 year from the date on which it becomes due, that is option number A. Question number 8. Who cannot claim maintenance under section 125 of CrPC? Option A, wife, option B, children, option C, parents, option D, brother. And the correct answer is D, brother. Question number 9. For the purpose of section 125 of CrPC, minor means: option A, child under 12 years of age, option B, child under 15 years of age, option C, who has not attained majority under Indian Majority Act 1875, D, child under 21 years of age. And the correct answer is C, who has not attained majority under Indian Majority Act 1875. Question number 10. For the purpose of section 125 of CrPC, wife includes: option A, woman legally married only, B, woman who has been divorced by her husband and remarried to other person, C, woman who has been divorced by husband and is not married. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is woman who has been divorced by the husband and has not remarried. Question number 11. Who is empowered to pass an order under section 133 of CrPC? Option A. Any court. B. Any police officer. C. Executive magistrate. D. Only DM. And the correct answer is C. Executive magistrate. Question number 12. Mark the correct answer. The conditional order passed by a magistrate under section 133 of CrPC cannot be challenged in civil court. This statement is A. Wrong. B. Correct. C. Partly wrong. D. Partly correct. And the correct answer is B. Correct. Question number 13. Under section 146 subsection 1 of CrPC, the magistrate may attach the subject of dispute if option A. If is immovable. B. He decides that one of the parties was in possession of the said subject. C. He is unable to satisfy himself as to which of them was in possession of the subject of dispute. D. In relation to that, a receiver is appointed by any civil court. And the correct answer is C. He is unable to satisfy himself as to which of them was in possession of the subject of dispute. Question number 14. In which of the following cases section 144 of CrPC has been held constitutionally valid by the Supreme Court? Option A. Madhu versus SDM manager. B. Nanak Chand versus Chandrakishore. C. Superintendent of Central Prison versus Ram Manohar Lohia. D. Mithilesh Kumar versus Rindwashi. And the correct answer is A. Madhu versus SDM manager. Question number 15. If the investigation is not completed within 90 days or 60 days as the case may be, and accused is in custody, on the expiry of the said period, the accused is entitled to be A. Discharged. B. Released on bail on making an application for release on bail. C. Released on bail without making an application for release on bail. D. Acquitted. And the correct answer is B. Released on bail on making an application for release on bail. Question number 16. An inquest report must contain option A. Names of the accused. B. Apparent cause of death. C. Details of weapons. D. Details of incident. And the correct answer is D. Details of incident. Question number 17. Any person aggrieved by refusal on the part of an officer in charge of police station to record the information in cognizable offence may under section 154 subsection 3 of CrPC send the information in writing and by post to option A. First class judicial magistrate. B. Session judge. C. Superintendent of police. D. High court. And the correct answer is C. Superintendent of police. Question number 18. The court of magistrate of the first class may pass a sentence of imprisonment for a term A. Not exceeding 3 years or a fine not exceeding 10,000. B. Not exceeding 1 year or a fine not exceeding 5,000. C. Not exceeding 3 years or a fine not exceeding 5,000. D. Not exceeding 7 years or a fine prescribed under the code. And the correct answer is A. Not exceeding 3 years or a fine not exceeding 10,000. Question number 19. A Chief Judicial Magistrate CJM may pass a sentence of imprisonment A. Not exceeding 7 years. B. Exceeding 7 years. C. For life. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Not exceeding 7 years. Question number 20. Under Criminal Procedure Code 1973, which one of the following courts can try a murder case? Option A. Magistrate first class. B. Chief Judicial Magistrate. C. Session Judge. D. Any of the above court. And the correct answer is C. Session Judge. Question number 21. A sentence of imprisonment for a term of 10 years may be passed by which of the following courts? Option A. The Court of Magistrate of First Class. B. The Court of a Chief Judicial Magistrate. C. An Assistant Session Judge. D. The Court of a Chief Metropolitan Magistrate. and the correct answer is C, an assistant session judge. Question number 22. An order of life imprisonment may be passed by A. Chief Judicial Magistrate, B. Session Judge, C. Metropolitan Magistrate, D. Any magistrate of first class, and the correct answer is B. Session Judge. Question number 23. According to proviso inserted in section 26 of CrPC by the Code of Criminal Procedure Amended Act 2008, 5 of 2009, which offences under IPC shall be tried as far as practicable by a court presided over by a woman? Option A, section 376 IPC, B, section 376A to section 376D, C, section 354 IPC, D, both A and B, and the correct answer is D, both A and B. Question number 24. A metropolitan magistrate may pass a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding A. 3 years, B. 5 years, C. 7 years, D. 4 years, and the correct answer is A. 3 years. Question number 25. A metropolitan magistrate may pass a fine not exceeding option A, rupees 10,000, B, 5,000, C, 20,000, D, no limit, and the correct answer is A, 10,000. So friends, these were the first 25 questions, that is question number 1 to 25 of Criminal Procedure Code multiple choice question. I hope my videos are benefiting you in one way or the other. It is increasing your knowledge. I am trying to cover all the subjects and sooner you will see more videos on all the subjects. अगली बार हम फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.